Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 trigger isn't working, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to wear and tear, a stuck mechanism, or even a faulty connection within the trigger assembly. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further problems, making your vacuum cleaner ineffective and leaving you with a pile of dust and debris. To fix this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger assembly, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure your Dyson SV14 is unplugged and completely turned off. To open the device safely, begin by removing the screw located at the bottom of the handle using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screw is out, gently pull the handle apart, being careful not to force it as this could damage the surrounding components. The trigger mechanism is typically located just inside the handle, so once you have access, look for the small plastic component that may appear broken or stuck. If you can't see it clearly, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry away any obstructions. Gently extract the trigger assembly from its housing. Be cautious here, as there are often small clips that can break if too much force is applied. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, replace the faulty trigger with the new assembly. Make sure it fits snugly into place and that all clips are secured. Once this is done, reconnect any cables you may have disconnected during the process. It's essential to ensure no wires are pinched or damaged. Now, close the handle back together, aligning it carefully before reinserting the screw you removed earlier. Tighten the screw securely, but take care not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV14 and test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. If it works, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your vacuum cleaner. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your Dyson SV14, paying special attention to the trigger area and ensuring no debris gets lodged in the mechanism. Additionally, avoid using excessive force when operating the trigger to prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.